Tired of blurry vision and eye strain? It's time to nourish your eyes from within. Discover the incredible power of food in protecting and repairing your eyesight. Let's dive into the top 10 vision-boosting foods. 10. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, carrots are essential for good vision, especially in low-light conditions. The National Eye Institute has linked increased beta-carotene intake to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. 9. Spinach, packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that act as natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering harmful blue light. Studies have shown that consuming leafy green vegetables like spinach can lower the risk of cataracts and reduce the progression of AMD. 8. Eggs. Containing both lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs offer a convenient way to boost eye health. The American Optometric Association recommends consuming eggs as part of a balanced diet for optimal eye nutrition. 7. Salmon. A prime source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining the health of the retina. Research has demonstrated that omega-3 supplementation can improve dry eye symptoms and reduce the risk of AMD progression. 6. Citrus fruits, high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the eyes from oxidative damage. Studies have shown that vitamin C intake is associated with a lower risk of cataracts. 5. Sweet potatoes. Another excellent source of beta-carotene, sweet potatoes offer similar benefits to carrots. Regular consumption can contribute to overall eye health and reduce the risk of vision problems. 4. Nuts and seeds, packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from oxidative stress. Research suggests that adequate vitamin E intake may help prevent the development of cataracts. 3. Beans and lentils. These legumes are rich in zinc, a mineral essential for retinal health. Studies have shown that zinc supplementation can improve vision in individuals with zinc deficiency. 2. Broccoli, a nutritional powerhouse. Broccoli contains vitamins C and E, as well as beta-carotene. Regular consumption can contribute to overall eye health and reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases. 1. Oysters. While not a common dietary staple, oysters are rich in zinc. Consuming oysters in moderation can significantly boost zinc intake, supporting eye health. However, it's essential to be aware of potential mercury contamination in oysters and consume them responsibly. Note: always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice.